cargo. That makes things way easier. Not if I drop things like a fool. Hashtag things I want to do. Drop things like a fool, apparently. Yeah, it's a little finesse shot. That's all. A little finesse shot. What else are we missing? Alright. Screwed those two guys in. Screwed that guy in. Oh, it's the Y switch. That's what needs the other screw. Y switch to the frame. Secure it with one screw and one nut. In the same screw process, step 1. Make sure all the highlighted areas are secured. This has this. Gotcha. Right next to the boom. Gotcha. Fam. And the wires go down, but they kind of... Okay. They'll be fine. They're big wires. They know what to do. Meanwhile, don't destroy everything, right? Oh. What's that? Did it. Nice. Got that. Only one minor dilemma. Put that over in the party zone. Assemble the Y-axis idler. This is an idler. Acrylic piece 4. Rod cap ×2. M3 20mm screw and nut ×4. These middle ones are popular. Kind of makes me wonder what are the really long ones going to be used for. Hold on. Attach the idler to acrylic piece, blah blah blah. Doesn't matter which way. It's essentially, you know, identical on both sides, so to speak. I wonder if there's like competitions for how fast people can build these kind of things. Sure, they gotta have them. Nice. Booyah, baby. I don't know how tight the idler is supposed to be. This is where the belt moves, I think. I'm going to loosen it a little. And then we put some end caps. On the back there. Sure thing. It's interesting that they have such a like a straight up piece of plastic. Like this is the end cap. I guess it's the only way to really make it using just flat pieces as opposed to having to just mold it in a weird way or glue it. You're probably thinking like, hey man, any reason I can to just make these people screw shit in. Sure, that's their priority. Then again, that's probably why it's only $100, right? Because they screwed you. Well, that's what the picture looked like. Nice. Assemble the Y carriage. Strange looking H. 3 linear bearings. M4 10mm screw times 9. Nine of them. These guys had their own special plastic. These are very important. I'm also scared to break into the rods, honestly. I don't think I have a file, and I hear that they come slightly off-sized. Let's pray to God. That's sneaky. So here's the other scary thing. It says to loosely tighten them. Loosely tighten? Sure. I'm just gonna tighten. Linear bearing should be loose enough to move slightly, but still remain attached. Too tight. Move slightly. Alright, I like that. Just enough to touch. I guess the rods are going to move around a bit. Oh, what else is weird? They have 4 places to get screwed in, but not all 4 places are getting screwed in. Riddle me that. Riddle me that. I really hope I am allowed to tighten these later. There must be a method to their madness, though. I don't deny, cannot deny. It's loosely tightened. Insert the smooth rods into the bearings. These are the shortest and thickest smooth rods. Put them in plastic wrap for me. The one is like 1 millimeter short. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe it'll just work. Anyway, shortest and thickest. Yo, dude. Did you know that when these things go back and forth, they rotate slightly automatically? That's cool. Haha! Now I may tighten them. Thank you. Just wanted me to get the rods in so that they fit real nice and good. I get you. Oil being distributed. There's your bag. Boom. Now you can go skiing in the wintertime. Assemble the Z-axis motors. Wire A and wire B. Because that's how letters were decided. Yeah, just let that one go. There's a bunch in here. Got a Z1, got a Y, got a Z2, got an X, got an E. You could pretty much spell Zexy Z. No, they could have labeled these a little bit better. These are the same length. Much longer. Much longer. Short. I mean, they are identical for the most part. As long as I keep the ends here, they seem fairly identical, so. Except the picture's a little different. Anyway, good luck. Long wire is gonna go over here. I don't need you. Two short wires over here. I don't need you right now. I need is acrylic P6. 2 of them. Stepper motor with coupler. 2 of them. 2 wires and 3 screws. 8 of them. 10mm short guys. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Also, urge to organize all these screws has just struck me, and it's gonna happen. I know they told me to do it on the internet, but I thought it was like a big bag of a mess, and I just had to separate them out, but They were, for the most part, they were already organized. Go. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Sign me up. Anyway, so that's 8 of those. I can see a space for 8. Looks like I'm going to stick these bad boys on. Maybe put some wires in. Make sure the coupler has some clearance to the base of the shaft of the stepper motor. It's going to be tough. Gravity. Like that. That's how they want them. Wire A short is for the left. Wire B long is for the right. Please label the wires if it hasn't been labeled yet. Well, fucking... Here's a needlessly large marker. A short is for left. L. I'm gonna put them over here. B long is right. Anyway, this should be okay. Just gotta believe, you know. Parappa the rapid, as they say. So make sure there's clearance. I mean, I don't know why though. I mean, it can go up and down, but other than that, it's not really moving at all. So I'm learning that secure means do the thing. Sure. Yo, also, how about this synthwave mix though? Once you start listening to synthwave, it's all over. Just know that. It's so good. You hear like 1 or 2 songs and you're like, yeah, stuff's alright. Then you get into like vaporwave and chill wave and melodic wave and all this other crazy waves and rip. rip all of the music. And that isn't ripping off. It's just rest in peace. Secure. 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 Now, alright, where were we? L is, this is L. This is R. Attach the wires to the stepper motors. I don't know if they spelled labeled correctly, but I'm willing to forego belief. I really was hoping for a click there. Not today. I guess it's kind of a teensy tiny click. Well, I've done it. Long one, hold to the right, short one, hold to the left. I think I've done that correctly. Just for the sake of my mind, keep that on the left there. Keep that on the right over there. All important. Alright, next, assemble front bottom plate. Damn it, I need these. Acrylic piece number 7. These two boys. And M3 nut. 3 nuts, 4 nuts, 4 M3 nuts. 4 M3 nuts. And 4 screw boys. Step 1, shove it in the hole. Sure. Step 1, part 2, shove it in the hole. Done. Fit them in, secure with nuts. Oh, well, ain't that just nice? It just fits, you know? Sometimes you ask yourself, am I worthy? Sometimes you are. Sometimes you ain't. Some of those times where I'm finding a dangle with magnetic screwdriver and attack from the other side with just my fingers and a screw to be an effective technique. See what I'm doing here? Light dangle. Oh, you can't see anything. I'm like a mile away with that camera. It's alright. It's more about the commentary than the actual screwing in preparation. Fit them, same screwing process, aka secure your nuts. See though, you get a little magnetized. Drop it in there, just dangle it over top. Just so. Once it gets in there, damn. Sweet. Well, that looks vaguely like the picture. Nah, you know what?